the QI did not see the problem, but the knitting knows that there is a problem on the fabric.
Knitting knows.
And they already also recorded in the gauge inspection.
Yes. This is a point I already taken note of. I have to do it, but I haven't done it. It's
No problem.
what is it? I talked to Rang. So Rang will. So there are two things. One is QC information remarks on the gray rolls. The second information is when Rang is making the DF, he is putting some special comment in one place. If mainly if it is a red job, mainly if it is a first trial. It could be a first trial or it could be problem article. He alerts in that thing, and that is showing in the DF also, I guess. And in job card is showing or not, I'm not sure. My idea is when he makes a DF, and if it comes here, they open the job card, it will immediately create the post in the TQL. So that when Rangsan looks at the post alongside our gamma QI inline, this will also come up.
Okay.
So the morning talk should cover this number one topic. Topic number one. So this will solve this problem. Exactly what you were saying.
Okay.
Auto input of gray issues or TQL. This is a very good idea from you, but you thought about, but it's already in my plan. But
Okay.
it's been more than a month. I should have done it, but it's not done yet. Because I have not done it. I've taken time because I'm not sure. It might mix up and mess up the existing QI inline. But now you are bringing it up. Actually, I think this should be fine, right? This will work, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Make
very
it part of
important.
morning talk.
Important.
Yeah. Okay. Next.
So the next one is I want a gap analysis between the TQL and the finishing QC, like the final QC. The things that the QC inline did not see.
Yeah.
I want it to be like make it something in a chart, and at the same time like
Okay.
this one is a lot, right? So I think I need a summary, what is really very important, so that Kundang-san and the team can go back to the QC inline and train them. And I also informed to Kundang-san that there should be a root cause and preventive on our part as well as a QC, so that we will know if our training is effective or not. Until this one is like minimized, like they will only
Okay.
not see small.
See, there are two
few
things here. Okay, so not seen or only the problems what you have listed, but low problems like weight and width are not part of this, right? So when you look at
Yeah,
the
it
4
can be.
point, when you look at the 4 point, you have GB and you may have low weight problem or width problem, finishing width problem, something, right?
But I
And
think
you
this
will
one is not. No?
Yeah. But those things might will not be under. You mean only GB, right? GB or even
No,
PB?
it's
or
even PB.
PB
They
also.
don't see it.
Anyway, let it list it out,
Mm.
and you figure it out, and this is like, okay, not seen means there is a reason why it's not seen, because it's not related. It's not a QI inline detectable thing. If it's a low weight problem, or overweight, right? Or color fastness problem, or color problem, uneven alignment should be QI inline.
QI inline also.
After dying.
I mean the PE should know. The PE.
But they don't put those things in the TQL, right?
No, I don't see it.
It goes into the
Then you
RPC loop. It goes into the RPC loop, I guess.
But I don't know if they have.
But they have to put it up.
I don't know if they have that now.
What that's
Because
what?
the shading.
Huh?
The shading one.
Sorry?
For example, the one that Kunadesa talks about, the shading one. So they
Shading,
need to,
yeah.
They need to check after dying, right? But at now I didn't see any of that
We're not sure.
on our meeting.
To really check.
Do they have?
I mean, in the morning talk,
Yeah.
it is not part of the TQL.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, because it's something that
It goes into the RPC loop.
No, what if they
Problem.
they approve it? They did not put it on the RPC and it becomes a problem, and there's a lot like that as
Then
well.
it comes in the 4-point, right?
That's what I want to discuss also to you. The shading and the weight, it will only go to the 4 points if it's RPC.
Hmm.
But if it's weight shift, we don't put it. We only remark.
Weight shift.
Like we put it as A grade. The weight and the shading. So now what do you want us to do? Do you want
So
to
width
put
and
us-
shading is a problem you have seen, but sale is accepting or not, you don't know.
No, sale is if sale is accepting it, then we need to
Ship it.
ship it and put it as A grade.
But before.
But- If it's if they say RPC, then that's the time we will need to mark it that it's in the 4 points, because we need to make it appear as C or B grade so that they can process it to RPC.
But who decides it's gonna be RPC? Because
The
when you are
PE.
doing 4-point, the grade is decided. The 4-point has the real grade, right? Am I right? Based on the point. The 4-point. So the 4-point is done. The grading is done by 4-point. Then QC is summarizing, right? That is the final grade. Am I right? PB, GB, grade A, right? So this final grading, you put it when you decide whether it's RPC or not. If it is RPC, you put the grades B and grade B, grade C as grade C. If it is not RPC, if it is weight shift, everything is grade A, and you put the grade,
We don't put
We-
anything on the 4 points. We just remark it. Like example, shading
no,
accept by
4-point is real grade, you get it, right?
for that's what I'm saying. Shading and the weight is no. That's why if you will see your summary, you cannot see that.
What is
the
that? I'm
weight-
asking the 4-point.
Yes, nga eh.
The
That's what I'm
measurement,
saying.
the points.
We don't put the
points.
shading points
Ah.
on the 4 points and the
Ah.
weight issue as well.
Oh, then this is a very big missing information.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say.
I think it should be. In 4-point, okay, let me if tell me.
Because
if-
there's a lot of problem nga. That's why, for example, in one fabric, there's barre, there's shading.
Hmm.
So if we put everything, I think it will be 1,000 points already. So it's like, I don't know. It's like the whole fabric of barre. So 4 times, for example, 100 meters, that is 400 points. And then you will convert it to 4 points per 100 square meter, right?
Hmm.
Then the whole fabric have warp line. The whole fabric have shading. So there's 3 major issue already in that fabric.
Doesn't matter. Grade B, that means it's already grade B as per 4 point. Correct? You are not putting shading because the whole role has ballet.
No, what if there's no barring?
Yeah, then you put.
I think
No, what I'm saying.
it will not be consistent. That's why.
No,
we
what I'm
will-
saying is that 4 point should reflect the real picture. If the point grade.
I
if it
think
is
I
grade B-
think I think I can put the how do you? That's why it's
Anyway, we keep it for further discussion.
for that. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's see how we
I
can
don't
work
think
it.
we can decide on this
Mm.
by ourselves. Might be maybe we need to discuss with Punamon and Punako also. So yeah, carry
So
on.
this one I want the
So not seen, simple, to keep it simple, the not seen report can be made, and what will show up in the not seen.
yeah okay the
Could
number
be something that is related, that could be undetectable in the inline, and things like if you are not putting the shading and width problem in part of the 4 point, or then basically I am taking the 4 point code, defect code for defect category. So if you are not putting shading, uneven, or weight problem in part of the 4 point. Anyway, weight problem cannot be part of the 4 point, right? Because you are not checking every. Are you checking the weight of every roll?
GSM, right? Yeah, we check.
Every roll, right?
We check.
So, but that does it reflect in the points if the weight is beyond no, right?
No, they just remarked it.
It's only recorded as a data.
Yes. Not a point.
So the low weight or overweight conclusion is made by QC, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also for the QI, they remarks this on their job cards.
Yeah. Okay, but the defect category I'm taking from there, and I can take out the text or remarks from the QC, QC and QI and 4 point. Those remarks, I can pick up those and include into the defect category. That's fine. So my point is, Odessa, even if you don't put the shading and this thing which you identify in the QC sheet, but not in the 4 point, I can still pick up those into the defect category when they want to see the historical data. Okay, fine. So not seen is clear.
okay
So we will make the not seen report.
okay the third one is saying based on the not seen, what are the things
Yeah, I think that is not within my scope.
okay
I think that need to be discussed once the first two things are done. We should take up the third one with the team, right?
yeah okay
So-
the fourth one is
Summary
like a
note.
summary note for the QI inspector.
When they open a job on screen, summary of all gray and inline QC defects will appear on. Yeah, it is now there here. Can you go to the TQL? Can you open TQL on your phone, on your laptop?
The thing is, they need to open the TQL first.
Yeah, but they don't
They don't have-
use. They don't have phone. They didn't require to use phone on every each operator.
Hmm?
We are not like the normal operator cannot.
No, this
open.
point number 4
Mm.
is for whom?
For the inspector, eh?
For the
For
inspector.
QI operators.
Yeah.
For you, right? Or for them?
For them. The one that is on the touch screen.
So when they open a job card on the screen, a summary of all gray and inline. Is it? Are you okay with summary of all gray and inline QC defects for that job, right?
Yeah, specific.
Yeah, the data is already in the Gamma system now.
Not
So-
on the Gamma system, but with the TQL.
You said they are not gonna open the phone, right? No,
Yeah,
no.
but
No, I mean, what you are seeing in TQL, the preventive, that is now there in Gamma system.
No, we don't want the preventive. We want the specific jobs problem. I don't want the preventive. I want what
Okay,
they
forget the
gather.
preventive.
Ah.
That job, when they open in the 4 point,
There should be a
I will
warning.
ask you to add one button.
there should be
When
a
we
warning.
click that button, this TQL page, or I can ask him to show the image. I can ask him to show the same like the TQL in their computer. That's what you want, right?
I think that's yeah. Because before they inspect,
They want to know what's going on.
they want to know what's going on before their inspection.
Okay.
So
So they want you want that in that screen.
yeah.
Okay, done. Can be
But
done.
I want to tell you that there's Thai and Myanmar people there.
You want the translation?
Yes.
But they use code. You're now using code.
Just defect codes.
Defect
Yeah,
codes.
defect codes.
Is okay?
I think we can try first.
Now, if you want translation to Burma, I can do that. They can select the language. You don't want Filipino, right?
I have one, but she can understand English, so no issue about it. The issue is she will want to see it or not.
Okay. Yeah, good points. I think this is good to integrate the 4 point with the QI inline
Yeah.
in their computer is good idea. Now the QI inline is really becoming a very useful information.
Then also what I'm seeing is if you incorporate the gauge inspection,
What?
gauge
Grade.
inspection, like Gemini's inspection,
Huh.
I think much better.
Yeah, I'm doing.
As a whole, it's
No, but Germanic inspection. Marisha, I think you should. I'm not sure you know it. They inspect only one roll per day.
Yeah.
but at least
But
we-
that one roll, if it is part of that job, I can show.
But if it's not part of the job,
If it is not part of the job, my idea was what they are doing is every day, each machine, each knitting, each KI knitting order. That means one design.
Mhm.
The first roll of that day, they do the
Inspection.
inspection. I said I told Kunamon that the other 4-5 rolls on the same day, can I reflect? Can I apply the same data on those other 4-5 rolls? He said don't, because we are assuming.
because you didn't really inspect that.
We didn't really inspect, but theoretically
Possible.
it's the same day.
Mm.
So the climate condition
It's the same.
The time interval, the machine is the same. Should not change things. But Kunamon still doesn't want to take risk. But I already have the idea that when you look into the QC, I will indicate this is really tested or this is applied. So you can figure out, I opened this job, it shows the gray QC information. This is maybe a tick mark, it means really tested. Another job you open, it will show you the gray QA. It will show maybe an exclamation mark.
Now they only have explanation.
Huh?
What I see is they only have explanation.
Exclamation.
Explanation.
About
What I mean, what they saw, the knitting one. They have the paper. It's like the I think the GO. I don't know, the grayish
GO.
one. GL. I don't know what is that called.
The packing list, right?
Yeah, the packing list.
The packing list have the QC remark
Yeah.
on each roll.
Yeah, we are seeing from the.
But QC remark doesn't say what is the boil off, what is the weight.
Not what how do you.
What QC information you want from that?
Is it A or B from them? And then also.
Yeah, it is there.
And then what issue they saw?
It's the QC remark.
Mm.
So they can't see that, but this G out is coming in the job card or not?
With the job card, sometimes not.
4 point.
4 point, no.
They don't see the packing list.
No.
So I can show the QC remark.
Okay.
I think that's enough. Right?
And then translation.
Yeah, QC remark is in Thai, I can translate to Burma.
Okay. Burma and I think English
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah. That's okay. Can be done. That's it, right?
Yeah, and then also the further inspection on the QI line. So it's all in one file, right?
When they click that button,
It shows all.
it shows all this.
Okay.
So the QI inline posting, you go to the bottom,
Deeper and then it's
you see the
range.
roles on this job, roll number, gray QC, meeting QC remark, translated into whatever language you want.
Okay.
Should be fine, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So before they inspect, they need to review this thing. before
Okay,
they
good,
inspect.
good. Okay. It makes sense, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's
So include a summary note for QI operators when they open a job card. This is what you were talking about, right?
Yeah. Not the job card, but the actual 4-point system.
No, in the 4-point system,
Mm-hmm.
you put the job card, job number, right?
Yes.
So next to that there is a button somewhere in that screen.
Okay.
You press that button, you see this information.
Okay.
It's integrated to 4-point.
Okay.
Okay?
okay.
Is that all or something?
Yeah, that's all.
Then also, King Suresh, about the one that I asked you before, that that allow my username to edit the defect for the workers. At now they are just putting
Which your workers or other workers?
my workers.
You
Only
cannot,
just my workers.
you cannot do that now?
No.
Okay, I will change it.
For example, my account is logged in. Then I want to edit something on their work.
Which department comes under that?
SPPK. Only SPPK.
SPPK. Okay. Yeah. All right.